This is the unboxing of the Honeywell Turbo on-the-go fan. This is a tiny little fan that I can carry in my suitcase. And you know how some people like to bring a pillow when they travel? I like to bring my own fan. It fits in my suitcase really easily, and it's just enough air to move around the hotel room. So it says you can carry it, hang it, or stand it up. Let's open it up. And so we've got the fan, has a power button. If we turn it over, I can put in 4 AA batteries, and there's a little plug here for the power cord, and it does not come with a USB adapter, so you can either use batteries, and from reading the instructions here, it does not charge batteries. It either uses the battery power or the plug-in power, but not both. It's got this stand here where you can stand it up like that, and it does quite a bit. It's full 180 degrees. And that way, if you want to hang it on a door handle, you can. It's really simple. Just plug in the power cord and then power switch on. It's got a 3-blade fan. And so here in my hotel room, I have a tiny little fan that's blowing air across me when I sleep. And I can adjust it both at its angle to the point it's tipping down. And if I need to hold it up, I can put a little bit of weight there. I want it blowing down. The fan's really quiet, and I have it right next to my pillow at the hotel, and let's see if you can hear it. I'm currently on a 6-day business trip, but I only like to travel with about 3 days worth of clothes. And so I've washed a couple of shirts and I've got them hanging here in the bathroom. But because of the airflow from the air conditioning, I typically don't get very much airflow into the bathroom. So I'm using this fan to blow fresh air into the bathroom. Now, cold air falls and warm air rises. So having this fan where the air is cool, I'm blowing cool air into the bathroom, and as the warm air rises, it's helping circulate the air to dry off the shirts. And these are not cotton shirts, they're synthetic rapid dry shirts, and this little fan does a beautiful job at rapidly drying the clothes overnight.